Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys with a 2.4 GDI engine guys. And if you need to remove or replace intake runner solenoid, valve solenoid or intake runner actuator guys, stay with us, we will explain how to remove and replace these two components. If you have problems with the intake runner actuator, we will explain guys what else can cause that, so make sure to stay until the end. We will share super helpful information with you today and we will explain how we can test those as well. Now, you don't need to remove your engine to do that, simply we have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars guys, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you where everything is located and teach you how to fix your Kia on your own. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So, looking at your engine guys, this is a complicated engine and you wonder, okay, they got 200 horsepower out of that engine without turbo. Okay, many things are innovative, like they use direct fuel injector for Hyundai, Kia vehicles guys. This is a Hyundai and Kia motor that has been used on most parts. You can see it says Hyundai and Kia you can see even on the engine mount here. So, it has a variable intake manifold, so that variable intake manifold, also known as intake runner, okay, right here, is being controlled by a solenoid and an actuator, and that's being controlled by a vacuum line. And now, if you guys have problems, okay, with the system not working, we have a special video that explains how to test the intake runner solenoid guys on our channel, and how to test the actuator. And if everything checks out fine, you still have problems, it could be a bad vacuum line, leaking vacuum line. And if you check the video on our channel about Kia Sportage or Sorento intake manifold removal, you'll see on the back side where the lines are for the vacuum that can actually cause that trouble as well. And we'll have a video how to rebuild the intake runner as well. So in order to replace guys the actuator, what you do, okay, here it's on a ball joint. Some new ones will come with a plate so you can remove the nut. If they don't, you can get a prying tool, okay, and just pry that, okay, pry that thing out, okay, almost out. Okay, perfect, you can see ball joint out. Now right here we're going to have, okay, one vacuum line. Let's see where we can disconnect it from. Okay, we can disconnect it from here, or we can remove both even at the same time, so we can even show you. And now right here guys, we have two bolts with a 10mm socket. Let's go ahead, remove those. Perfect, one is out. Second one now. Great. Now that one will come out. If you want to disconnect it, you can simply disconnect the line here. Now this solenoid itself, okay, we need to disconnect the wiring harness by pressing down here, okay, and pulling out. Okay, you will have guys one 10mm bolt on the bottom of the solenoid itself. We need to get new battery for our impact guys, because okay, we've been taking the engine apart, the whole engine out of the vehicle with it, and the battery is getting weak. So we'll go ahead, change that, okay, and we will try again, because I think that's what the problem is. So I'm going to hold this one up and we'll go ahead, okay, and remove the bolt now. Yeah, no problem. Perfect. So now careful not to drop your bolt when you're working in the vehicle. You have a little bit limited room. That's the bolt, that's the solenoid, and now you just pull it out. If you have a loose hose and leaking vacuum hose, again you can have that problem, and that's how you guys remove the whole intake, runner, actuator, solenoid system. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. If you need to buy any, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.